In this video we are going to talk about all you need to know about Web 3.0. So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. What is Web 3.0? Web 3.0 refers to the next generation of the internet, in which websites and apps will be able to handle data in a clever, human-like manner using technologies such as machine learning, ML, big data, and decentralized ledger technology, DLT, among others. When Tim Berners-Lee made the World Wide Web, he named it Web 3.0. He wanted to make the internet more autonomous, smart, and open. Data will be linked together in a decentralized way, which would be a big change from the way the internet works now, where most of the data is kept in centralized databases. This would be a big change from the way the internet works now. Users and machines will be able to engage with data as well. However, program must be able to comprehend information both conceptually and culturally in order for this to happen. With this in mind, the semantic web and artificial intelligence, AI, are the two cornerstones of Web 3.0. How is Web 3.0 different from Web 2.0 and Web 1.0? As we all know, Web 1.0 was a read-only form of the internet, in which users could only read the material on websites that they visited. Web 2.0 enables users to access and create content, text, photos, and videos through web portals and mobile applications. Web 3.0, on the other hand, will be significantly more advanced than the previous two internet versions. In addition to reading and writing, Web 3.0 will allow users to interact with the current world in a virtual environment. Web 3.0 will have 3D visuals, commerce, virtual reality gadgets, and other features, among other things. How will Web 3.0 benefit users? It is one of the most significant benefits of Web 3.0 for customers in that they will get reimbursed for the time spent on the internet, which was not the case with Web 1.0 or Web 2.0, respectively. Users will be able to make money by selling their personal information to advertisers. Furthermore, as a result of increased data understanding and interpretation, Web 3.0 will provide users with more accurate and relevant search results. A more personalized way of connecting with the program and other users will be made available to users as well. Because of the widespread usage of technology such as blockchain, their personal information will be protected on the internet. The system is being built with open-source software, and it is expected that most of the tools will be available to developers in the long run. In addition to the Internet of Things, Web 3.0 will play an important role in the future of transportation. In the coming days, you'll see a rise in the number of Internet of Things-based goods that will make life easier for people. The highway to Web 3.0. One way to see the journey to Web 3.0 is to draw a simple timeline of web innovation from 1991 to today. One way, Web 1.0. Web 1.0 is the name given to the original version of the World Wide Web. From around 1991 to 2004, most static web pages were targeted toward users who were primarily consumers of material rather than providers. Web 1.0 was a time when people mostly used the web for one-way communication. Two-way, Web 2.0. In the years running up to 2004, the web began to undergo a transformation. Consumers have progressed to become producers as well. With the introduction of social media, a new era of two-way communication was heralded in the United States. Users are no longer passive consumers of static web pages, as was once the case. People from all around the world may now be able to communicate with one another through social media platforms. Cloud computing is becoming increasingly popular because it allows for greater collaboration and remote work. The web has matured into a platform, with web-based apps outnumbering desktop-based program in terms of the number of users and applications. We would not be where we are now without these breakthroughs, which served as the building blocks of our understanding of the internet. The rise of a small set of digital titans has resulted in the centralization of our online experience, thanks to an explosion of content creation and an influx of analytical data on our usage and habits. As the number of ways to connect has grown, concerns about user data control, privacy issues, and other issues have arisen. A distributed future, Web 3.0. We will be exploring the web in 2022, and the word dispersed will be a recurring theme that will permeate the digital atmosphere. As a result of a worldwide epidemic, thousands of employees have been forced to leave their jobs as a result, resulting in dispersed workforces. A variety of new ways of thinking are based on the distributed idea, which may be found in a wide range of fields like economics, services, data, art, and other creative endeavors. In a decentralized future, things are spread out over the globe. An in-depth understanding of the internet is required in order to understand Web 3.0 properly. We base almost everything we believe about the internet, banking, and other domains on the notion of a centralized entity. Capital is leveraged in finance through the use of financial institutions such as banks. The transmission of data in the technological world is accomplished through the use of big tech. Cloud computing and blockchain technology are the dominant technologies in Web 3.0, which is founded on a distributed, decentralized style of thinking that empowers users by providing them with greater control over their data. The blockchain. The blockchain is the driving force behind the Web 3.0 revolution. Many of us are now familiar with cryptocurrencies, non-fiat currencies, and other kinds of blockchain technology, which have been increasingly popular in recent years. Distributed digital ledgers are based on the concept of global synchronization over many distinct computers in order to build a cryptographically secure log of transactions, which is the outcome of synchronization across numerous systems. It is possible to create a record of transactions on the blockchain by safely confirming them. This means there is no need for a central authority or mediator to check the transactions, which leads to a more decentralized confirmation process. It is impossible to overstate the importance of blockchain technology, and the number of potential uses appears to be expanding by the day. During the year 2018, for example, improvements to the Ethereum blockchain made it possible to protect non-fungible digital assets such as artwork and other digital artifacts. Because of this, the non-fungible token (NFT) was born. In essence, non-financial tokens (NFTs) make use of the distributed ledger technology of the blockchain to safeguard the ownership of digital tokens, which are often represented by digital artwork. The sale of artwork or other collectibles does not entail the transfer of ownership of the underlying intellectual property rights to the work in consideration for the sale. Isn't this a positive development? In addition, because blockchain assets are fungible, it enables users to produce and sell one-of-a-kind digital artworks and collectibles, which was previously impossible due to the fungibility of blockchain assets. This is a revolutionary advance in the field of digital art and collectibles. Many of the conversations about Web 3.0 are focused on the ramifications of distributed blockchain technology, but there are a few other characteristics to keep in mind when you read about it. Automation and data insights are on the horizon thanks to achievements in artificial intelligence and machine learning as well as advances in semantic web technology. As a result of the semantic web, computers will be able to better comprehend the meaning of words in the future, allowing them to search for things that aren't just keywords or numbers. As a side note, significant advancements have been made in the application of extensible design and reusable code, which has made it easier for programmers to incorporate new features into their software without having to write a large amount of new code for each new version. Web 3.0 and nonprofits. As we get closer to Web 3.0, nonprofits should keep an eye out for three big changes: cryptocurrencies, non-fungible tokens, and artificial intelligence. At Coinbetter, you can trade more than 500 plus cryptocurrency assets, including the latest DeFi tokens, NFT, metaverse, gaming, Web 3.0 and more. Coinbetter.com was established in 2018 and is one of the most advanced cryptocurrency trading platforms in the world. It supports multiple cryptocurrency transactions and provides crypto for international users. One-stop service dedicated to creating a safe, reliable, smooth and easy-to-use cryptocurrency trading platform. That's all for this video. Make sure to subscribe, like and activate the notification bell. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.